Hello, Mr. Francis. How are you feeling today? The doctor has prescribed oxygen therapy to help improve your oxygen levels. Don't worry, it's the common treatment for many respiratory conditions. The oxygen will be delivered through a nasal cannula, which is a small tube placed in your nostrils. It's important to maintain a comfortable position and avoid moving the cannula too much to ensure optimal oxygen delivery. You may experience some dryness in your nasal passages, so using saline nasal spray can help alleviate this. It's also crucial to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids. While on oxygen therapy, it's best to avoid smoking and exposure to irritants like dust and smoke. If you experience any discomfort or changes in your breathing, please don't hesitate to let us know.
I'm a bit worried about the long-term effects of oxygen therapy. Mihira, will it damage my lungs? And how long will I need to be on it?
Understandable, Mr. Francis. Oxygen therapy itself doesn't damage your lungs. It's a supportive measure to help your lungs function better. The duration of therapy depends on your specific condition and response to treatment. Your doctor will monitor your progress closely and adjust the therapy as needed. Remember, the goal is to improve your oxygen levels and alleviate symptoms, and oxygen therapy is a safe and effective way to achieve that.
Mihira, I want to talk with you about something that could make a meaningful difference in how you feel day to day. When you are living with a lung condition, every breath can feel like it takes effort, and I know that can be exhausting and sometimes frightening. This is why I would like to gently recommend that you consider joining a pulmonary rehabilitation program. It is a specialist program designed not for athletes or for people who are already well, but specifically for people like you, who deserve to feel stronger and more in control. The team will work with you at your own pace, helping you rebuild your stamina gradually and safely. Many people who complete the program find that everyday tasks become less tiring, their symptoms are more manageable, and they need to visit the hospital far less often. It is not about pushing you beyond your limits, it is about gently expanding what those limits are. As you continue, I also want you to feel confident knowing when to reach out for help. If you notice your breathing becoming more difficult, your usual medications not lasting as long, or if the oxygen level on your monitor drops below where it usually sits, please do not wait and wonder alone. These are not signs that you have failed or that your efforts are wasted, they are simply signs that your body needs a little extra support. Reaching out early is an act of courage and self-care, and your healthcare team is always ready to listen. You are never bothering us. You are never alone in this.